From chatbots to autonomous AI, build systems that think, act, and deliver. Hi, this is Kiran Roy, and I'm an AI solution architect at GoML. So why use Gen AI only to generate text when it can run your business? Let me start with something most businesses are already doing today. Using Gen AI to generate text, generate images, and summarize documents. That's useful, but that's not where the real value is. The real value of Gen AI is not content generation. It's decision making, execution, and outcomes. And no, you don't need to retrain the model for every problem. This is a big misconception. Many teams think we need to fine tune the models, need expensive training pipelines, and need custom LLMs for everything. In reality, most business problems don't need model training. What they need is the right orchestration, right tools, the right memory, and the right level of autonomy. That's where Agentic AI comes in. Agentic AI is about building systems that don't just respond, they operate inside your business. They can break goals into steps, decide what to do next, call APIs and tools, validate results, and keep improving over time. This is why Agentic AI is a third way of AI for business. What can you actually build with Agentic AI? Whatever you build, the main ingredient is the right agentic architecture, strong orchestration, correct models, and production grade controls. That's our focus at GoML. So we have sure built an entry-level AI application like a chatbot trained on a corpus of learning materials, searching through large sets of collected textual books and helping students answer questions faster. Under the hood, this is usually a document ingestion, vector search, and retrieval augmented generation, the RAGs. Useful, but still more reactive. What different we do with agents here? We enhance the infra with agentic bots. So instead of just answering, we build agents that connect to clustered books and topics mapped study material, educational videos mapped to concepts, student profiles and historical performance data stored in relational databases, a persistent memory layer. Now, instead of just searching through fixed files, the agent acts as a personalized academic mentor. The agent doesn't just search, it decides and validates the content to be generated. It chooses between theories, videos, example practice questions, or revision material, pulls data from multiple sources in parallel, and validates responses against learning objectives and quality rules. And most importantly, remembers the student context across sessions. So same documents and same models, but much smarter behavior with active participation, driven by orchestration, memory, and autonomy. This is the application architecture diagram of an edtech company with a similar use case, all hosted on AWS using the capability of Agent Core Bedrocks, making the architecture reliable and scalable. To build this, we did not rely on any one agent. We designed agent societies. One agent perceives, another plans. One agent executes, another validates, maintaining states and memories. This improves reliability, accuracy, scalability, and safety, reducing hallucinations. And this pattern works across industries. So why GoML? How are we really doing different? We have boilerplates to accelerate the delivery, flexible architecture across clouds, deep expertise in making AI reliable and scalable, real-world experience across industries, and experts to guide on how you can convert your idea to a solution so you can move faster and reduce cost. So be it building a simple or a multi-agent network, reactive model for fast responses, or a deliberative pattern for deep planning, or hybrids, which gives you best of both worlds. We can have tool-centric or memory-centric or environment-centric workflows, or maybe implement a self-improving agents. We have done it all. So whether you have a use case pertaining to healthcare, finance, or a product recommendation, or maybe you just want to monitor the infrastructure, or have any other use case, you are ready to build smarter systems with us. So visit goml.io and book a consultation today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.